All right, we're back. Check this out, guys. Ripple. It's crypto traded the day today. I want to talk about Ripple from the medium to long-term perspective. Short-term perspective, we're slightly bearish on the market for the next day or two, but beyond that, we're very bullish on the market. And the Ripple can reflect that bullishness. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You probably remember we were very bearish up until 2-3 weeks ago when we were able to nail that whole move from top to bottom all the way to 213.29. And then, of course, we speculated that price action was going to go all the way down to 173.50 just to chase the previous low. And it did exactly that, right? It went down all the way to the last line of support, 73.26 and 65.67, made a nice touchdown and then started to turn back around. Now breaking above 213.30, that's a massive breakout and a strong indication price action is on its way to the upper section of that range. I'm talking about that CPM range, the black one, so back to 266.56. There's a second CPM range, a smaller scale, the blue one. Here, we're expecting a quick one to 242.37. That's the next target, right? That's the next official target for us. You can see we pulled the trigger twice, and target and profit target is right there, 242.37. Later down the road, we'll start to incorporate the final destination, which is the big key resistance level at 266.56. But first, we want to make sure we nail 242.37, and then we'll decide whether to keep going upwards with the new position, or maybe we'll keep some of the position open and then re-increase our position back to, once it starts to establish itself above 242.37. Let me show you where our stop loss level is. You can see that we've placed our stop loss level pretty far, right? At 194 flat, 194 flat. And that's to allow, to accommodate a potential move where price action is gonna try to retest 213.30 from above, right? Could send a vicious spike here. Could also potentially test 205.88. So that's why we're hiding well below these two levels to accommodate some excess noise, potentially testing these levels with a spike there. We don't want to get caught, triggered out unnecessarily. But yeah, that's where we are right now. So we're allowing for price action to drop to potentially triple down, right, and increase our position size if it does so. If not, if it's going to turn right straight up from this point forward, we're going to fire off the third trade probably around the levels of 230, 231, 232 on our way to 242.37. All right, so there you go. This is it. Ripple looking good, looking sharp on the way up. Slightly coming off this week, but that's expected after 3 weeks of some serious recovery from the levels of 165. So a bit of a technical correction, local technical correction is expected at this point, and that's pretty much what we're getting right now. All right, that's about that. Ripple, medium to long-term perspective, bullish conviction coupled with bullish position. We will come back to follow up and keep you posted. In the meantime, wishing you a great trading week. We'll be back. Take care.